Hello and welcome guys to our YouTube channel Ispo42. Get ready guys for an epic journey of entertainment, laughter and knowledge. Are you ready? Let's start! Bubu, can I tell you something? But promise me, you won't laugh. Dudu sir, why would I laugh? Tell me now, what happened? Actually, this feeling has been inside me for a long time. Whenever you smile, my whole day lights up. And whenever you are sad, I feel like my heart becomes heavy. I don't know when it happened, but Bubu, I love you. Dudu sir, you love me? More than I show, more than I say. You are not just my best friend. You are the person I care about the most. I know I am not perfect. I don't have much. But my love for you is honest, pure, and is only for you. Dudu sir, I wasn't expecting this. I know, and I don't want to force you. I just wanted to tell you how much I feel. Whatever you decide, I will respect it. Even if you don't feel the same, I will always be there for you. Dudu sir, this is a big thing for me. You are very special to me too. But I need some time. I want to think about it. Take all the time you need, Bubu. I will wait. Your answer matters to me. But your happiness matters still more. Thank you for understanding. And thank you for telling me honestly. Because you deserve honesty always. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more.